Are you ready to unlock a $1,000 monthly income stream with affiliate marketing? In today's video, I'll show you how to leverage the power of AI to simplify the process, scale your efforts, and achieve consistent earnings. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or want to maximize your existing efforts, this AI-driven approach can help you reach your goals faster and smarter. Affiliate marketing is a straightforward process. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. However, standing out in this competitive field requires the right tools and strategies. That's where AI comes in. Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Choose the right niche and affiliate programs. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about, or one with proven demand. Popular niches include health and fitness, technology, personal finance, and lifestyle. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm niche ideas and analyze market trends. Once you've chosen a niche, sign up for affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or niche-specific platforms. AI can also help you evaluate the profitability of these programs by researching commission rates and competitor strategies. Step 2. Build a content platform. With AI. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a content platform to engage your audience and drive traffic. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile. Use AI tools to make the process faster. ChatGPT or Jasper AI generate high-quality blog posts, product reviews, and comparison articles effortlessly. Canva. Create professional, eye-catching graphics for social media. Synthesia. Produce engaging video content featuring AI avatars for tutorials or product reviews. For instance, a blog reviewing the top 10 AI tools for freelancers could seamlessly include affiliate links to tools like Jasper or Canva. Step 3. Optimize content for SEO. Using AI search engine optimization, SEO is key to driving organic traffic. AI tools like Surfer SEO or SEMrush help identify profitable keywords and optimize your content for search engines. These tools analyze trends, keyword difficulty, and competition, ensuring your content ranks high and attracts the right audience. Step 4. Automate email marketing for repeat traffic. Once you've built an audience, stay connected through email marketing. AI-driven platforms like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse make it easy to create personalized email campaigns that promote your affiliate links. You can set up automated sequences to nurture leads, recommend products, and encourage repeat visits to your content. Step 5. Analyze and scale with AI insights. To consistently hit $1,000 per month, you need to track performance and scale your efforts. Tools like Google Analytics and AI-powered dashboards can provide actionable insights into which content and products perform best. Double down on what works, create more targeted campaigns, and reinvest earnings to boost your traffic through paid ads or collaborations. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the help of AI, you can streamline every step, from creating content to scaling your business, and achieve your income goals faster. Start small. Stay consistent, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. If you're ready to take action, hit that like button, subscribe to the 10X Maker, and let's build your affiliate empire together.